What's up guys, welcome back to the GoodView Woodworks channel. My name is Nathan, and in this video we have some really awesome news for you, so stay tuned. As we're getting prepared for a new video series coming up this week on the GoodView Woodworks channel, I wanted to talk to you guys about some awesome news. Guess what, everybody? The GoodView Woodworks website is finally up. You can click the card up here and it'll take you right to our new website. We have awesome things on that website. We have hoodies, we have hats, we have recommended products, we have tools, we have all kinds of cool stuff for you guys to check out on that website. So as soon as you can, go over there and click that link. I'll also leave a link down in the description so you guys can go and click around. We have some merch items on there as well. If you want to support the GoodView Woodworks channel, go over there and get you a cool t-shirt, hoodie, hat, whatever you like. If you need to ask a question, there's also a link in the Contact Us section. When you click the tab at the top, it'll bring down a little bar and you can navigate your way through the website. You can email us directly and I'll get right back to you as soon as I can. Also, we have a tab, we have the community tab right here. It'll also take you to the GoodView Woodworks community page on Facebook, and that way you guys can post pictures, post videos, and also get a group chat going, because obviously I don't know everything. There's a lot more woodworkers out there that know more than me, and I'm sure you can find answers there. Or if you just want to show off your stuff, go show it off there. It's really cool and it's growing as we speak. Guys, I encourage you to go to the GoodView Woodworks community group and sign up. It's a closed group. All you have to do is answer 2 questions. They're easy questions and you will be taken right in. It's really, really cool. I hope to see you guys over there. Also, we have some up and coming things. I don't want to spoil it. Here's a quick preview of what we got. Leave a comment down in the comment section if you can guess what these are. They're coming up soon and I can't wait to post a video on these particular products. With that being said, guys, I want you guys once again to go check out our website. Not only do we have merch, not only do we have recommended products, but we also have links to popular YouTube videos from the GoodView Woodworks channel. In case you guys haven't seen some of my more popular videos, you can click there and it'll take you right to YouTube. With that being said, guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. Do me a favor, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and also ring the bell and select all notifications so you don't miss anything when I post it. All right, guys, thanks for listening to me. And as always, thanks for hanging out with us.